Hi guys, this is Daphne again. I'm a freelance makeup artist and hairstylist, and now I am a makeup guru on YouTube. So this is the continuation, or this is the explanation why I used two mascaras, long lash and thick lash. So if you can see on these pictures, yung kabilang eye ko rather is makikita nyo na wala talaga siyang wala talaga akong pilik mata. Although kahit nandun yung liner, makikita nyo na wala talaga akong pilik mata. Hindi siya talaga visible, kaya sa mga makeup tutorials ko, gumagamit ako ng fake lashes. So this time, wala akong fake lashes, and thank you HBC for giving me this, and I have a great experience on these two mascaras. Kaya ako gumamit ng long lash is, of course, to extend my short lashes.
I ain't gon' say much, I'ma finish what's in my cup. Come over there with you, sip a little something with you. I ain't even gon' lie, you're looking kinda hella fly, like you belong up in my ride. Cause baby tonight I'll make yourself at home. Tonight you won't.
At dahil wala nga akong ganoon kakapal na pilik mata, so once na mahaba na yung pilik mata ko, makikita nyo yung difference ng fake lash mascara. So makikita nyo yung density niya na medyo magiging makapal. And now I'm not really using any fake lashes. So I feel very light.
It's all about you, girl, and me, girl. You can take off the mark, tonight we're going 5-star. It's all on you, girl. What it do, girl? Baby, make a choice, you can hear it in my voice. I'm so sincere, listen here. I want you, girl, I want you, girl, I want you, girl. Baby, once we touch, you can never get enough. I got that dance.
So, gumamit lang ako, two applications, pinatuyo ko lang ng konti ang long lash, then a thick lash mascara, and I am ready to go. And the good thing about this is hindi ako mag-worry na magme-melt or maghuhulas siya sa init ng araw, because these mascaras are waterproof with vitamins A, C, and E. Thank you so much HBC for giving me this again, and for me to experience the long lash and thick lash mascaras. I truly recommend this with HBC. Truly, life is beautiful. Again, ulit-ulitin ko na ang makeup ay nag-enhance lamang ng beauty at never nitong natatakpan ang pangit na pag-uugali. If you have other questions or for more tutorials, follow me on my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, rather. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I also have my own website, www.daphnereyes.com/Diva Daphne. Thank you for watching the video. Bye. Enjoy your summer.